Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my today's class. From today we will discuss one passage per day in our class. So today's topic is the British mentality. There will be three steps while reading the passage. First of all, I'll study the passage with grammar like parts of speech and tenses and then with translation. So let's start reading. Although I had stayed in England for over a year, although is subordinate conjunction. I had stayed in England. मैंने इंग्लैंड में काम किया था for over a year, एक साल तक. So I had stayed subject plus third form, had plus third form. So this is past perfect. In England, where he stayed? In England. So England is adverb like name of place, and in is preposition because this is telling the position of I. For over a year like कितनी देर तक. So year is like you can say adverb of frequency. Yes, this is over a year. This is adverb of frequency. It was difficult for me. It is subject and this is pronoun. Was is helping verb, but यहाँ पे जो है ये मेन वर्ब के तौर पे यूज़ हो रही है. डिफ़िकल्ट इज़ एडजेक्टिव लाइक मोर डिफ़िकल्ट, मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट. फॉर मी, मेरे लिए. टू अंडरस्टैंड द ब्रिटिश मेंटालिटी, अंग्रेज़ों की जहनीत को, अंग्रेज़ों को माइंडसेट को समझना. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस author is telling about the British mentality. Like he stayed in England for almost a year, but he couldn't understand the mentality of the people. Traveling to the office every day by train, हर रोज़ ट्रेन के रास्ते ऑफिस जाते हुए या ऑफिस के लिए सफ़र करते हुए. So when we use present participle like traveling plus object, it means that the action is being done, the action is happening right now. यानी कि जब प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ होता है तो इसका मतलब है कि एक्शन अभी हो रहा है. बट जब प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल लाइक नॉट प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बट लाइक हैविंग प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म like having traveled, if I use having traveled it means के travel हो गया है. But if I use traveling to the office every day, it means that the traveling is going on. I watch people concealing their faces. I means the author. Watch people, लोगों को देखा. कंसीलिंग यानी कि छुपाते हुए. हाइडिंग देयर फेसेस, अपने चेहरे. बिहाइंड, पीछे. न्यूज़पेपर के. सो यू नो दैट देयर इज़ अ ट्रेडिशन, देयर इज़ अ हैबिट इन यूरोप कंट्रीज दैट द पीपल read newspaper while traveling. Either they are traveling by train or by bus or by aeroplane. So they study something. They rarely. So I watch people. This is past indefinite. Concealing their faces यानी कि अपने चेहरे छुपाते हुए. Behind is preposition newspaper because behind is telling about the position of faces. There is this one. This is also pronoun, but here its function is demonstrative adjective, or you can say possessive, not demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective. They rarely conversed with each other. They, subject, like pronoun, rarely shows another, sometimes, seldom. This is adverb of frequency. Conversed, again past indefinite. Communicated with each other, एक दूसरे के साथ. Each other is indefinite pronoun. Occasionally, again adverb of frequency. Lifting their eyebrows. There is a structure. Traveling to the office, concealing their faces, lifting their eyebrows, यानी कि अपने आईब्रोज को उठाते हुए या हरकत देते हुए. टू लुक एट देयर फेलो पैसेंजर्स, यानी कि वो किस तरह अपने फेलो पैसेंजर्स की तरफ देखते थे, अपने आईब्रोज को हरकत देते हुए. सो टू लुक इज इन्फिनिटिव. एट द सेम टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड इज आल्सो इन्फिनिटिव. वो लोग जो हैं वो किस तरह एक दूसरे की तरफ देखते थे, जस्ट विद द यू कैन से पॉइंट ऑफ आईब्रो, यानी कि अब आईब्रो की इशारे से. बट व्हेन, लेकिन जब, आई स्टार्टेड अ कन्वर्सेशन, मैंने गुफ्तगू शुरू की, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, अंडर द प्रीटेक्स्ट ऑफ द वेदर. हेयर अंडर इज नॉट preposition but this is conjunction. The pretext of the weather, यानी कि मौसम का सहारा लेकर. The actual purpose, the actual mindset of the author was not to know about the weather, but he wanted to start conversation with the other person. Sometimes ऐसे होता है कि जब हम किसी से कोई बात करना चाह रहे होते हैं तो हमारे जहन में कोई और चीज़ होती है, लेकिन जस्ट हम एक बहाना ढूंढते हैं कि इससे बात करें. सो मौसम का बहाना बनाकर उसने अपने साथी से बात शुरू की. जब तो आई फाउंड मैनी हैड अ नेचुरल गिफ्ट फॉर गॉसिप. सो आथर को पता चला कि उनमें से जो बहुत से लोग थे उनको जो है वो गॉसिप यानी कि कम्युनिकेशन, कन्वर्सेशन का टैलेंट था उनके पास. सो इसमें आपको मैंने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, टेंस, मोस्टली पास्ट इंडेफिनिट एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज़ हुआ है, एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का भी आपको बता दिया है. आपने ये करना है कि आपने इसके पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच अंडरलाइन करने हैं. आई एम सॉरी. हियर इज वोकैबुलरी, mentality, mind, to converse, to talk, to lift, to raise. Gift, talent, skill. Mind and talent and skill are noun. To talk, to raise, verb. To conceal is also verb. Occasionally, seldom, rarely, these are adverbs of frequency. Pretext, excuse, false reason, this is you can say false is adjective but reason is noun, so pretext is also noun. Gossip is also noun. But when we say friendly chat, so friendly is adverb of manner. So now here is some exercise, like there are 5 fill in the blanks. You will fill these blanks. Like Maggie crossed the room, dashed the lid of the pot and sniffed at the contents. Under the dash of wanting to return a pen which she had left behind, I visited her. So you will fill these blanks by yourself and send me the answers in my inbox, or you can also share in the group. Actually my throat is creating some problem, so that's why I'm speaking slowly, but hope so you have understood the passage and method. We will study the passage, and we will also dissect the parts of speech and tenses of the passage. I'm sorry. And one thing more, you people will also make the precis of this passage, because this this action will this activity will help you in your PMS and CSS preparation. So there are three tasks there are of this from this passage. One is to make precis, second to fill in the blanks, and third is to reading comprehension. For example, the writer was quite surprised as he could understand the British mind. Not good, but could not, because almost no one on the train was talking to each other, since most people were reading newspaper. After he saw people traveling by train, when he saw the British way of life. So according to you, which is the correct answer? Let me know in my inbox, or you can also share in comment box, because I will upload this lecture on my Facebook page and on my channel. So this is the end from my side of this section. Let's call it a day. And if the people who are watching this video, or who are listening to me from the platform of my page Future Officers Academy, or from my channel Future Officers Academy on YouTube, if you people want to join me, you can join easily. WhatsApp me on this number. Let me write here: out 331 844 522, and my name is Zebunisa. Okay, love is, see you